right, pulled it out. Got to get off the dust. You know what? I was going to wash it, but it does look like it's going to rain. Just got to get rid of all the white, any residue left over, stuff like that. It needs a good wash, you know, because the dust and everything else. See, I missed a few spots of wiping down. I got to get to that. You know, it's hard to see in that garage. It's you know what? Nothing ever beats the outside, and even when it's cloudy, it's still a good thing. But yeah, overall, definitely looking pretty good. You know, definitely. Yeah, I got to wipe down the way. Just you know, stuff like that. Can't wait to change these tires over. Ordered brand new set. Can't remember if it's Dunlop or BF Goodrich. Name brand. I don't go with those fake brands, so definitely went with a name brand good tire all season. Just waiting for that, have that installed, and also needs to get the timing belt done, so that will be good. Also, timing belt, serpentine belts, actually going to change some radiator any hoses that go to also the water pump, anything like that. Anything, you know, stuff that, hey, you know, the thing's 20 years old, but overall really looking good. Look at that stance. Looks good with those four-wheel drive badges I put on there. And the best thing I like about it, it does really look nice with the yellow and the Xenon. They definitely look like Xenos or HIDs, but they are, of course, as we know, those are LEDs. Now, I wish I could see it. You know what? Let me cheat. Hopefully she don't run away. You know, the problem is when you're one person. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's holding. Don't drive away on me. Let's see how it looks. Really? How come there's no date? Oh, so daytime running lights on this only without the park? I wasn't sure if they kind of went on anyway. Oh, I was very wrong. Gotcha. Okay, well, that's cool. Not a big deal. Did not know that, so I learned something today. Wasn't sure, but you see that parking brake definitely does the trick. So let me look underneath the hood now, just see if anything else. Just always good to go over, because now I can see in the light a little bit also. Gotta put the stick up. Looking good under here. I was thinking about, I'm going to take this off and just spray that black. This one's got a little bit of rust. I mean, you really got to find bad stuff on this vehicle. It's kind of difficult. Definitely really looks good. Now the best part is underneath, but we're going to put this up on the lift so that people can see it and see that the undercarriage is just as clean as the exterior. So there we go. Doing pretty well with this project. Definitely a lot of hours spent on this ride. Well over 100 hours easily. And this one's a clean one. Imagine. But I want to make it right. See in there? Got to get all that crud out. Trying to do like Concours d'Elegance here. Yeah. Definitely. So this little part, you know what? I don't think I could do it because I need two hands, but trying to get the crud out of there. Already got a lot of this out. Using paper towel in here because I just wanted to absorb and then not get inside the vehicle. That's the big thing. Coming out. Here's the other side. You can see it was really dirty in there inside that track. That's what I try to get out, all that crud. Yeah, now I'll actually clean better under here, and then I'm gonna ceramic coat this thing too. Let me do a little polish on this thing too, get it looking a lot better. All right, putting on the coatings, sealing it all up. Check this out. This is what I like to see. Look at the difference between both of those. I'm even ceramic coating these bars, everything you could think of. You know what's crazy? I did forget the sunroof, or the moonroof rather. It's dirty in there. I'm gonna have to get to this. I just started doing the roof and I said, oh boy, let me open up the roof. You know, I haven't even thought about it. But yeah, I got to clean all inside there. I'm going to have to vacuum. I don't want to get any crud inside the car as I'm doing that, so I got to be really careful. Okay. Oh boy. Yep, got to do that too. Coming along. Slow but steady. That's the name of the game. Yep, keep working it. So I want to make everybody happy. You know, all those people who write comments and never bid. I really want to make those people happy. So look at all this tar here. Let's do what we got to do.